Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Vlogmas. Today it should be day 20. Holy smokes, day 20, that's wild. Or 21, not really sure. But anyways, we're here now. We're a few days away from Christmas. Lots going on at home, which I won't get into now, but yeah, it's been a very stressful time. Everybody's healthy, everybody's okay, but just what we're going through right now has been like not ideal before the holidays. I'll leave it at that. But anyways, I'm still going to participate in Vlogmas. I just needed a few days to not like actually vlog because this wasn't going to fly in Vlogmas if it was like anxious looking, sad looking, crying. It's not the biggest deal in the world, but it'll be sorted. So that's where I'm gonna leave it. Anyways, I'm going to have a snack now. I already had my bagel this morning with coffee and I cleaned up a little bit, but now I'm going to have some persimmon, banana, dates, and tea as well. I'll wait for that to actually steep. And then today, I think I'm gonna do a Pilates class. I was gonna do a ballet class, but honestly, I have taken a break from ballet since the performance just to give like my body a rest, just to get a proper rest because I know during the break, I'm actually dancing. I'm actually like kind of performing, kind of teaching during the break. So I just wanna make sure that now, while I don't have to push myself so much, I actually relax. I'm gonna do some Pilates this morning, I think. And then I teach tonight at the studio where I might bring my point shoes and try a few things anyways because it's my last day at the studio for like the next week and a half or 2 weeks. So I'll definitely do a little bit of dancing there. Not like a lot, not a full class, just like trying things out, maybe rehearsing a variation. But like I said, it's Thursday. I didn't say that already, but it's Thursday today, which means I'm free until the afternoon. So after lunch, I'll head out to work. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll take you along with me on my day leading up to then. And the tea today is ashwagandha chai, and it smells so delicious. So excited to try it. Also, I love persimmons. I haven't had them in years. And persimmons with dates are like, such a good snack together. So I'm gonna enjoy this while watching the reunion of The Ultimatum.
Oh, but marriage. Oh,
marriage.
Gonna make the bed, but I cannot believe how juicy this reunion is getting. It's getting so heated. So I'm gonna watch it while I make the bed. So I'll speed this up for you guys. All right, guys, so in order to get ready for Christmas this weekend, I'm actually not going to be dancing for a while, so I'm gonna do a flat ballet bar really quickly. Obviously, I can't wear this, so let's get changed. I'm wearing this leotard from Yumiko that was a gift from Steve's parents. I absolutely love the color. It's kind of like a cactus gray color. To me, it looks green, but you guys tell me. I feel like it's actually gray, but to me, it looks more green. And then it has this like velvet trim, and I think the color is toffee. And then the mesh skin tone kind of color. I'm also wearing this Pop Flex skirt, which I love. And like I said, this weekend is going to be our Christmas. Me and Steve celebrate a day before we head to our parents, just so we get to have our own little intimate gift opening and exchange. So in order to get ready for that, I want to do a ballet class now because I definitely won't have time this weekend because I'm also working Saturday. And tomorrow we are going to a Christmas market, but I want to make sure that I get some dancing in case I don't get dancing in for a while. And then I'll probably still do a Pilates class later, or at least tomorrow for sure. So let's put on shoes, do a little bit of skincare, put the hair back, and do a ballet class. It's also really chilly, so I'm gonna put on a sweater. I feel like this duo is very Elphaba and Glinda. This pink sweater go with the green skirt. Very Wicked, which I want to see that movie again. It was so good. Especially the Ozda scene was definitely my favorite part. I bawled my eyes out like a baby. Steve can attest to that. I cried so much, but it was such a good movie. I loved it. So let's do some skincare, put on ballet shoes, do a ballet class. Then I should probably clean up and get things ready for Christmas because our house is honestly a mess. More on that later, but let's do some skincare. I'll just throw my hair up. Okay, we are sitting on the floor doing some makeup. One other thing I want to get done today, either today or tomorrow, because tomorrow I might have more time, is setting up my new phone as well. I just haven't had the time and I need to set up my new phone. Quite frankly, my mom got like a teal color, which I showed in a couple of vlogs ago. So I'm really excited to unbox it and try it out. I also don't like to do too much skincare if I know I'm gonna work out because I find it gets like slimy and I sweat more and then I just have to redo my skincare anyways. Plus I don't know how good it is to sweat with like a bunch of products on your skin. I don't sweat too much when I do a ballet bar, but I do definitely sweat during Pilates. So again, I'm not gonna put too much pressure on myself today because I do know that I have to go in for work. Like I'm gonna be not in a rush, but I don't have the luxury of not having things planned in the evening like I do tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to a Christmas market, but not until later in the day, and I don't work earlier. Actually, I do work earlier that day. I work in the morning. But I don't know, I feel like tomorrow I have more time to do Pilates, so I won't be too strict about it today. We'll see, play it by ear, do a ballet class for sure, and then potentially do Pilates or maybe do Pilates tomorrow. I don't know. I honestly have not been exercising much this week. I exercised a lot leading up to my performance, you know, to make sure my stamina was good and my strength. Honestly, life has just been throwing curveballs my way this week, so that's one thing. We're dealing with a lot at home. And then secondly, I just haven't had the time because things have been so busy, being the last week that schools are open before the holidays, being one of the last weeks of the year, and I'm going to be a student in the new year, so there's just a lot of things, you know, in the back of my mind. Not so much that I have to like do. There's a few things I have to do in preparation, but I have most of my material, and since it's online, I have a computer and everything, but there are things in the back of my mind. I'm like, I have to do this before I go, so I just haven't had the time to like enjoy. Do you know what I mean? My time has been taken up by either work or thoughts about schooling or preparation for the new year, which is a good thing. A very good thing, not complaining. It's all good things because change is a good thing, especially change when it's like, I know I'm improving things about myself by going to school, increasing my knowledge, becoming a better dance instructor, becoming a better dancer. So it's all good things, but that's another reason I haven't been dancing or working out much, just because there's been a lot on my plate. A lot of good things, like I said. You're so cute. All right, like I mentioned the last time I did a ballet class, I'm not gonna do anything on point because my point shoes are still really dirty. So I'm just gonna wear my flat ballet shoes, which works out. It's totally fine. All right, let's do a flat ballet class. I might just leave my hair like this, to be honest. It's kind of cute, and I washed it yesterday, so I don't want to do too much. No, I should pin it up. I'll do something better than this. Why don't we just do like, I always have a better class if I do my hair a little bit nicer than what I just did. Even if I just do a cute pony. My hair is so fluffy. It's always so like fluffy when I wash it. It's better if it's greasy. It's always better to do your hair when it's greasy, no matter what you're doing with your hair. Just always molds better if it's a little bit greasy and dirty. If it's clean, it's harder to work with. I learned that at ballet school and as a dancer in general. This is going to have to work for today, and we'll just do a little bun like this. I do have pins in my bag somewhere. Do I want to do a properly pinned bun? Not really, because I don't want to have to find all those pins, and I know they're just in a mess in my bag from the show. They could also be in my jacket pocket because I took my hair out right after the show, and I was wearing my jacket because I was at the door and it was cold. Okay, we'll do that for now, and then if I find some pins, if I come across some pins, I can at least pin it down. Okay, I came across a few pins, so I thought, why not? May as well. At least it's like a little bit nicer and I'll feel more put together. Doesn't look amazing, never does, again, if your hair is freshly washed, but that's okay. Just a ballet bar. There we go. I feel like that's good enough for today. Again, not the most nice bun, but could be worse. Also, how cute is this sweater, guys? That's Miss Jasmine with little ballet slippers. My student gave it to me last night at the Christmas party. I also got another sweater that says Merry Swiftmas, and it has the lyrics, "We can leave the Christmas lights up till January" on the back, which is so cute. But I'm gonna go make lunch and catch you guys later. So I brought home pizza last night from the party, so that's probably what we'll have for lunch, and some veggies as well. But I might cook something. Let's see what we have in the pantry, because I'm not really feeling like pizza right now. So we do have some veggies left over from a veggie tray from the party yesterday. I also don't know what to do with this giant pizza box. We'll just toss it here for now. But we have some veggies from a veggie tray. I'm probably gonna fry up some eggs, and I'll have that for lunch with some rice. Maybe some beans as well. We should have some leftover beans, and that's it. So I'm just gonna take some of the veggies from the veggie tray and boil them, fry up an egg, have some rice with that, and we have some leftover beans too. I just don't like raw, like broccoli really, so I'm gonna cook that up, just boil it. And I'm not a big fan of raw cauliflower either. I do like raw carrots and celery, but I'll boil the rest. I may as well throw the carrots in there too though. That's probably good. Boil these babies up.
During our time together,
Got some rice, leftover veggies, eggs, potato fries, and veggies. All right, today is the 19th, so let's open up today's. Okay, since it's the last day of classes, I thought why not do something cute with the hair? So I am ready. I'm wearing sweats today. That's the vibe. But like it goes, the black and the pink. This is the final fit. Last day of in-person classes. I still teach throughout the holiday. Like I teach pretty much every morning, including Saturday, Sunday, Monday, like almost every day. But this is my last in-person day of classes. So I thought I'd go fun with the hair.